folks, this is the Liu View channel. I hope you have a great day. Today we make a dish. It's called grandma's spicy tofu. But this time we make it a meat version. And if you want to cook the non-meat version, you can go back to my channel and find that video. The main ingredient we need a tofu. We need the tofu. It needs to be firm. Any brand is okay. And 2 scallion and frozen ginger. I just use 1 teaspoon. If you have the fresh one, it's good. And the 1 tablespoon of Sichuan peppercorn and the chili powder. And I also need probably I think half cup of ground beef. Yeah, those are the main ingredients we need for this dish. We cut the scallion. Cut the root part off. Already wash it, so this way we cut like this. Just very thin, slice it. Yeah, if you don't have a scallion, use a leek. Yeah, just the same way to cut the leek. Originally they use the garlic, the plant, the garlic. You plant it, grow the whole plant. They will use that whole plant to just cut like this to add to the mapo tofu. Yeah. We cut the tofu. And drain the water. Okay, we're gonna cut it. We cut it like this thing. Then we just roll it up and cut it in the middle and go down. And then cut it. You don't need to cut it very big, probably this big. This big. Put the tofu into the pot. This is a coffee grounder. We added the Sichuan peppercorn. Those kind of peppercorn. You can use the green peppercorn or your red peppercorn. Those are the right. We add, I think it's 1 tablespoon of peppercorn and into this container. We add 1 tablespoon of Sichuan red peppercorn. You can add the Sichuan green peppercorn. Either is okay. Then you put the lids on. Put this on. Then we'll blend it, make it to a powder. Okay, I put the bottom. Okay, I just brown a little. Okay. So when it become powder, and then we'll use this for the make the grandma spicy tofu mapo tofu. So we just leave it here until we use. Turn the stove. Medium fire. When the pot is hot, we add 2 tablespoons vegetable oil to it. And rinse in the pot. When the oil is hot, we'll add 1 tablespoon of 1 teaspoon of ginger into it. When the ginger smell release good smell, then we add the ground beef into it. It's half cup of ground beef into it to cook. slowly fry the ground beef until the fat in the meat and come out and the meat is fully cooked. Okay, with the ground beef, the most fat come out, we add 1 tablespoon of Sichuan chili sauce. And slowly fry. Until this sauce release good smell and the red color come out. This is and 1 tablespoon of cold tap water to it. Add half cup of water, another one more half cup of water, so it's 1/2 cup of water. This is the soy sauce. We add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce to it. This is salt. We add a half teaspoon salt to it. Okay, we try the flavor. It's good. This is the chicken soup based mixture. We add a pinch to it. Don't add too much. This is the spicy. We add half to it. Don't add too much. Leave half. We add half pepper and we add tofu into it. Be very careful. Okay, then let's use a pot. Don't stir. Cover it. And cover lid and let it slowly cook. Okay, we make a potato starch. We add 1 tablespoon of potato starch. You can use the corn starch. Either it's okay. Then add a 1/4 cup of cold tap water. Then we make a liquid starch. So yeah, for later use. Mix it. Okay, this is done. We use later for later. Okay, when the tofu is, you can see the tofu is cooked. It's already cooked for a little while in this sauce. We add the scallion, chopped scallion into it, and to move it. Try not to stir the tofu. Just be very gentle, because the tofu is, if you stir hard, stir too well, and the tofu will become pieces. So just try to let the scallion soak into the sauce. Keep cooked. When the scallion is mostly cooked, and we add the starch, liquid starch into it. Slowly add to it. Don't add it all once. Then just like this. We just want sauce to sit up. Okay. Just shake it. Let the sauce to stick up. Okay. So we see the sauce is stick up. Just slowly to stir. Okay, then when the sauce stick up, we turn off the stove. This dish is done. Okay, we put this dish into the plate. This is the other half of Sichuan peppercorn ground. Then we add it on the top. Slowly add it on the top. So, Grandma's spicy tofu. This dish is done. Meat version style. This dish is done, and I hope you guys like it. And please subscribe, share, like, and comment. And see you next time.